back to work. And when will we hit 100? That's a great question, Justin. Well, I think likely tomorrow as well as Wednesday. Usually happens at some point in the month of May. Last year it happened actually a couple days ago on May 5th. We are promising a weekend cool down temperature-wise back into the 80s. And after you see the numbers, the first half of this week, 80 anything will sound pretty good come Saturday and Sunday. In addition to the heat, we've got wind, 25-mile-per-hour nuisance gust later this afternoon from the southwest. That'll help warm temperatures into the upper 90s. Wind, not a big factor tomorrow. It will be an issue if you're outside on Wednesday, especially Wednesday afternoon. Gusts of 35 miles per hour, a little breezy on Thursday, and wouldn't you know it, looking ahead to Friday and Saturday, a bit more organized wind coming in our direction. Look at the numbers. Wow, a lot of sunshine the rest of the day. 93 at least at 1 p.m. up to 97 by 4 p.m. Our high temperature this time of year usually happens around 4:30, 5 p.m. That's when we'll sneak up to 98 degrees officially at McCarran. We'll have to watch thermometers around the valley. I wouldn't be shocked if a few folks did sneak up to 100 today, but I think officially at McCarran, that's more likely to happen tomorrow. When it's this hot during the daytime, you know it's going to be mild in the evening. Temperatures will slowly fall from the 80s down into the 70s after midnight. Centennial Hills, 98. Aliante up to 98. We'll look for numbers around 97 in Sunrise Manor. These are right around, if not 1 degree less than the heat that we had on Sunday. But yesterday, if you were outside, you noticed quite a bit of cloud cover much of the day. A lot of sunshine the rest of today, which is why I do think the numbers will hit 97 in Green Valley, 98 Henderson, and all the way to 99 around Lake Mead. On average, the wind's about 10 miles per hour, but there could be a few stronger gusts later this afternoon. Pahrump, you'll go to 93, 102 around Laughlin, 101 in Overton. May actually end up being a little cooler tonight. Temperatures tonight late will drop down into the low 70s here in the central part of the valley. Medium high pollen levels today. The allergy forecast actually looks a little bit improved tomorrow into Wednesday as those pollen levels will drop down into the medium category. So we will have that cool down this weekend. Now, cool down is a relative term in Las Vegas this time of year, but mid to upper 80s on Saturday and Sunday. Our one complaint, Friday into Saturday, as we slide into the weekend, we'll have some 30 to 35 mile per hour winds as a front moves through Friday night, at least starting a bit windy on Saturday. I think Sunday looks like the nicer of the two weekend days as temperatures will be in the 80s, but Dana, Sunday, not much wind. In the meantime, we may break a record high temperature on Wednesday, so the heat is certainly on. Coming up in a moment, we'll talk about the UV index in case you plan on hitting the pool later today.